Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Sakshi and I have recently completed my dental schooling and right now I'm working as an intern. Now to be frank, I never thought about doing dentistry, but then as life is full of unexpected things, I finally chose dentistry and really I started liking it so much that helped me score good. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video about why to choose dentistry like all the genuine reason because I am a dentist and I know this better. Now, at your dental school interview, one of the questions that you almost 100% sure to be asked is why dentistry? What made you choose this career? It's a question that stumps many applicants. If you have a clear vision about why you want to be a dentist, but finding it difficult to form a convincing answer, here are a few points that will help you. A person has two reasons for doing anything, a good reason and a real reason. Good ones are those that I'm going to tell you, and the real ones are those that actually made you do something. Now, everything has its pros and cons, and at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you about everything that you should know before applying for your dental course from my personal experiences. So, moving into the reasons why to choose dentistry, the first reason is you have the opportunity to help people and make community a healthier place. You can restore oral health and transform life of patients. Dentists help patients improve their appearances and boost their self-confidence. When a person walks with that tremendous toothache and after you do a root canal treatment, then see that relief when patient feels and really that worth the effort. It comes with pain but walks out with a smile. Imagine how difficult is it is for a person who has no teeth and you make a denture for them. We always listen, eat healthy, stay healthy. But how eat if you don't have teeth? So we improve the quality of their life. But helping people can't be everything, like the sole reason to dentistry. Now the next reason is you are the respected members of the community. Dentists are highly regarded by the communities they serve for their contributions. It is a career that provides plenty of rewards and challenges, but you have that opportunity to help people, and that makes you a respected member. Third reason is this is a profession that allows you to be your own boss. As a dentist, you can balance your professional and your personal life to meet your personal needs and desires. You can maintain a flexible lifestyle and you can have that independence in your career. The fourth is you can choose from number of career options. While most of the graduate go into the private practice in general dentistry, the profession it offers a wide range of clinical, research and academic opportunities. There are many options, like there are around 8 to 9 subjects in which you can do your masters. If you're interested in that surgical part, you can do your masters in oral surgery. If you're interested in orthodontics, you can do your masters in orthodontics. And if you don't want to go into the clinical side, then you can go in research or academic job, cosmetics, consulting, teaching, management related activities. Like there are many options that you can do after dentistry. Fifth one is you can exercise creativity in your daily work. Dentistry is often referred to as an art. It requires mastery and technique unique to profession. Dentistry is largely based on maintaining proper oral health, but it is also an aesthetically focused practice. A large part involves restoring teeth and making a smile beautiful. Demand for dental care has grown greatly over past years, and it looks growing with increasing awareness about the oral health more into cosmetic procedure. So you are mastering some amazing skills. Now the next is earn a good salary. I'm not sure I would do this job purely for money. Well, everyone likes money. Money is good. There aren't any career like many careers where graduates earn over $35,000 in their first year. With an income at that level, financial independence seems very feasible because till there are teeth, there will always be the need for dentist. Nature of the job and how we are paid can change, but there will be employment always, though it varies across different countries and on type of your practice. And lastly, we can shape the future of the oral health care. In addition to clinical practice, dentists can also contribute significantly to the future direction of the oral health care by engaging in dental education. So now concluding it with There may be like, well, many other reasons. My parents recommended it, I got inspired from others, etc. But reasons I shared are consistently seem to be coming up in my observation. Believe me, dentistry can be the best job for some people, given how many of the reasons listed apply to them. I'm not going to pretend that everything in dentistry is great. There is a lot of competition which goes in every field. But if you are good with it, then no one can stop you from achieving success. And I believe now it is that we found ourselves a great career. I have listed some of the reasons why you should choose dentistry. But now I would also like to tell you the things that I experienced during my dental schooling, the things that you should know before entering into your dental school. Everyone tells about the problems, but no one tells about the solution. So I'm going to tell you about all the solution to those problems. So the first problem is hard work. Like becoming a doctor is not everyone's cup of tea. At first, you need to work hard to enter into a dental school, but that's not the end. Even though you have entered, you need to study a lot every day because becoming a doctor is such a profession where you're concerned with others' life and not working hard is like doing injustice to your patients. So you need to work hard not for your exams but for your patients. So the first point is you actually need to work too hard for it. The second is creativity. Now everyone says dentistry is an art. You need to be creative. But to be frank, even me in my first year at starting I was too bad at it. But hand skill it comes with practice and repetition. As it is said, practice makes the man perfect. So it's not like you're not creative, so you can't go into dentistry. It's all about your handwork, how you do practice them, and how you are repeatedly doing it. So it will make you good. Now the next is lab work can be frustrating or time consuming, and sometimes it can be painful. Yes, actually it happens. Lab work is a lot frustrating, but the result you get after that is worth. You really need to you really actually need lots of patience. Like dentistry, it tests your patience at every step. So the next thing is lab work can be frustrating. Now the next is many patients they fear the dentist. If you're thinking of becoming a dentist, be realistic about the fears. But that's okay. If you know how to manage them, they will surely be cooperative. And you need to have that communication skills. You should be soft spoken and you should always treat your patients well. It's like not every patients are happy to come to the dentist. Then the next is dental school is a huge investment. So make sure you want to be a dentist before you enroll because that's not like you're just paying your school fees. But in dentistry, you actually need to buy many things, and that's like you are investing a lot into dentistry. Then the next is like that's something funny, but believe me, you'll start noticing everyone's teeth. Like, really, when I meet anyone, I have the habit of noticing their smile. I literally stare at their mouth while they are talking, and really, sometimes it does become awkward too. Then the next is back and neck issues. But as like many dentists, they have back and neck issues because like we're sitting in a position that mostly focuses on your back and neck. But now again, if you work in proper position, then you can avoid this. You can like take rest between doing patients so that you get rest to your back and neck. Then the next is high responsibility. You are in charge of someone's health. So you have to be responsible. That have to be taken seriously. Like when you are injecting anesthesia, you have to be responsible because actually, if you are not responsible, it can actually endanger someone's life. So you need to be responsible. The next is stress. With high responsibility comes high stress. It's not just about health, but you need to keep patients happy. Treatment with your treatments. Again, if you do it right, you won't encounter this problem too. The last is surprises. Yes, we all love surprises, but believe me, in dentistry, we don't love surprises. We actually do study a lot from textbook, but sometimes and some things are out of our control, like many unknowing complications, because believe me, many patients don't tell you about like all the truth and it may lead to various problems. So for this, make sure to know the patient well before starting any treatment. Lastly, I would like to tell, even if some people hate coming in, but it's worth it when they leave smiling. So, these were the problems that I encountered during my dental schooling, but it was worth it. And in my next video, I'm going to even share with you about all my experiences, about my journey of the 4 years, like 4 years journey of my dental schooling, and many good and bad experiences that I had in my dental schooling, like starting from the first year till my final year. I'm going to share them. So that was it of this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much.